Hello, everybody. I thought I would do a quick video about something I'm really excited about. When I was 18 years old, I'm 29 now. When I was 18 years old, I made a game called Coma. It was a small little flash game that was released on Newgrounds. Remember Newgrounds? It is now officially been ported to PC. This is not the remake. This is not the reboot. That's called Neversong. This is the classic game in HD as a downloadable app file and an exe file. Considering we're all sort of quarantined, I figured I'd just let you guys know that you can play the original Flash game on your PC. So I'm going to play through a little bit of it, and hopefully we'll get, for those of you who played the game, the original game, back when you were in, middle school, hopefully you guys are going to get some good vibes. So we're going to play a little bit of it. And if you guys want to play the game, links in the description on itch.io. If you want to purchase the game, it's $3. Supports my studio. So yeah, let's play it. So we can run and jump with ASWD, and oh my goodness gracious, we can play a piano. Yes, please. Let's see here. Let's turn down the. There we go. F G E F G E figure. Okay, that was fun. So it was really cool making this game. Actually, I remember being so proud of that bird that just flew by. This world is a lie. Ooh, Thomas, what did you mean by that when you were 18 years old? All right, I remember this scene. This was beautiful, or at least I thought it was. Looking at it now, I'm very very critical of how this looks. Ring the doorbell. Okay. Cool beans. Let's keep running. Pete, it's Bird over here. Hey, Bird, what's up? I'm locked in this stupid cage. What would I know? You sound up. This is weird dialogue. I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking about my 18-year-old self, and I'm like, this isn't really good writing. You sound upset. I can't find your sister. I think maybe she's lost. What? Yes. Maybe she got lost in Shill Bend. I always like that name, Shill Bend. Now get me out of this cage and let's go find your sis. Unlock. Very cool. Thomas, you are very good at what you do. Sorry, that was supposed to be a joke, but it just came across as very egotistical. All right, let's keep going. All right. Where do you think you're going, son? Nowhere? Well, then make yourself useful and go find out what is clogging our drain behind the house. No. If you don't do it, I'll be very upset. Right. Okay, buddy. Let's go help out our creepy dad here. All right. This was the bane of everyone's existence. I remember I showcased this game at South by Southwest, and everyone would just give up on this sequence here, because I as a game developer when I was 18, I had no idea what good game design was and what good platforming was. But apparently, you can jump on this and then jump on this and then jump on this. Okay, great. Ooh, Redwood Field. Look at those flowers moving. I think this is the only reason people liked this game. They just liked the ability to run through these flowers. All right. Keep going. Ooh, a giant flaring something. So yeah, that's cool. Man, I should have made it so you could bounce on it. I wish I would have done that. Oh wait, I did, and that's in the sequel. So, which is coming out in April, May. Cool. That flag looks pretty. My name's John, but I'm a girl. Hi, John. So listen, fella. Why is fella capitalized? Have you ever been to Shill Bend? No. They say that left is right and right is left down there. Too scary for you, I bet. Cool. All right, that was fun. Ooh, I can bounce on these little strawberries. Strawberries. Push, push. Awesome. Okie dokie. So there's some weird looking phallic things here. Awesome. Very cool. And it is It's Gamboisa! Hey, up here, do you see me? Yes. It's none of your business to look at me, the mighty Gamboisa. Leave now! Okay, sorry, Gamboisa. Man, a jerk. I always liked this scene. It's very pretty, isn't it? Okay. Ooh. We got a little drain pipe here. Very nice. What's up here? What does that say? I don't even... I made a little signpost here. Redwind Shilbin. Man, I spent so much time on this art and it's just really not good. I don't think it's good. I'm very embarrassed. And that's not me being humble. I'm serious. Okay, so guys, I don't want to play through the whole game. I want you guys to click the link in the description if you want to, you know, grab a copy for $3. But if you don't want to, that's fine too. I get it. It's an old game, but figured some of you who played the original might want to grab a copy. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to be live streaming soon. All the time, really. So take a look at my live streams. Click the link in the description. Subscribe. Do all that cool stuff. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.